Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I will have again in this video another Sephora favorites kit. This time is gonna be Power of the Petal, and this one looks like this. It's a very pretty box with a print in pink, white and rose gold. Really nice box. This box is $38 and it has a value of 124. So this one is called Power of the Petal. It's skincare powered by plants, fruits and flowers. Looks like this. Very nice box. If you watch my channel, you know that I love Sephora favorites kits. I'm getting many of them, and I love from the Sephora favorites kits. I love the most the skincare ones. So in this one we have this product first. This is Sephora Rose Hair Sleeping Mask. Looks like this. Probably here is the product and here is the mask. Those are the steps that you're supposed to use. Work the cream in your hair, put the mask, and then wake up and rinse. It's an overnight mask. Nice to try this one. I never tried hair sleeping mask before, but I am really happy to try this one. Then the box inside looks like this. Everything is in place. It's very nice packed. The first thing in here, it's a sample, and this one is Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil, which looks like this. Then we have in here Kate Somerville, the exfoliate. I got so many samples of this, but I never tried them, so probably I will pick one of the samples and put them in the samples of the week video. We have an 8 Cosmetics product, and this one is Secret Sauce. It's an anti-aging moisturizer, which looks like this. Guys, I'm trying to not say looks like this, but some people are working in the hair during the videos. I'm saying looks like this. So anyway, apologize for that. Then we have a fresh product. This one is Black Tea Instant Perfecting Mask, which looks like this. A good size, I would say. A pharmacy product, and of course this one is Honey Potion, and I'll show you in a minute how this one is. It is like this, is this size. And then 3 more products. Another item from Drunk Elephant. This one is facial Lissant, whatever is that. Looks like this. It's a better size and comes with a pump. Then 2 more products in here. One of them is from Caudalie. I'm trying to take the product out of this box. It's the Caudalie Premier Crew, the eye cream. It's a good size for a sample, especially for an eye product. Then we have, I believe, we have Peter Thomas Root. This one is Water Drench, and this one is Cloud Cream Cleanser. Looks like this. So I am very excited about this this box. As I said, I love Sephora skincare boxes. This is one of them. We get skincare, and we get in this one a hair mask, which is really pretty. Lots of mask in this one. A facial oil, the Kate Somerville exfoliate, a moisturizer from 8 Cosmetics, another moisturizer from I don't know what's with the doctor today. It's the Peter Thomas Roth, the Caudalie eye cream, and a couple more items. So I think this is not a bad box, not at all, for $38. In this one we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products. They look like this, and I think they are really good brands, and make the price of this box. So you let me know, what do you think about this box? Let me know, what do you like from this box? What would you like to try? As far I know, that one was still available on the Sephora website. I don't know right now with the VIB sale if it's still available, but I will leave the link down below just in case if you want to check, and if it's still available. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching again. You have a great weekend. I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye bye.